Hi YouTube, I want to make a video about how to replace a door actuator of the driver side of this 2006 Passat 2.0 Turbo. I find some useful information on the YouTube, but I feel like I need to make a video. Hopefully it will help somebody else. So here we go. I already removed the door panel and everything. I already took it out and now just put it back. Just show you step by step how to do it. Of course, this Volkswagen, you always need special tool. So that you all know that how to figure out. So the basic thing is you need to remove this plastic panel, and how to do that is there's 3 screws here, 1, 2, and 3. So you remove those screws. All around there's a plastic retainer, so you use special tool of the trim removal. You kind of feel for all the retainer and take it out. So once you take it out, and the glass here, you want to the bottom line is you need to remove the glass. How to remove the glass? So once you remove this panel, there's some electronic harness inside. So I haven't I suggest not to disconnect it until you lower the glass. There's 2 screws here, 1 and 2 screws here. So you could, when you lower the glass, you could see the screw. There's a hole here. Until you see the screw, you can use a special tool to unscrew it and push out. So that way, the glass, you can remove it. Now once you do that, you can safely disconnect all the electronic, and there's also the hot wire to connect this. I already unhooked it, but those is not that difficult. So once you remove this panel, so now you need to remove this panel. The tricky part here for this panel is there's a 3 plastic thing here is permanently attached to this panel. So I have a very difficult time finding how to do it, but I'm not sure I don't know what's the right way to do it. But once you remove all the screw here, and this only part holding the door actuator is this 2 screw, and there's another screw here to open the handle, the key cylinder right outside here. So once you unscrew this, screw this, and you remove it, there's a 2 metal rail for the glass. So remember, we already take out the glass, right? The glass is empty. So 2 metal, so you just have to kind of yank it up and try to adjust so you can take out the glass. No, take out this metal panel right here. You see this? That's what I'm talking about. Metal rail. So you take it out, and remember, this is all still hooked up to the actuator. And this part is the plastic thing I'm talking about. It's I think you cannot really take it out without damaging it. So that's what I did. I damaged some of it. Hopefully it doesn't make a difference. We'll see. But today I'm not going to install it because I don't have the part yet. But I just want to show you how you access to the door actuator. So once you remove this part and unscrew the screw, take out the cylinder, the key cylinder right here. Once you unscrew here, the key cylinder should be able to take it out. Doesn't want to come out right here. So, and then you unscrew this. Door actuator is held up by this retainer, plastic retainer. So there's a tab here. There's a tab here. So you take it out, and remember those wires still hook it up to the door handle, and also to another handle here. So this is the actuator you want to get it out with. So obviously I already unhooked this, right? So but that's the bottom line. So you want to take this out and then replace the new one, and you replace you reuse the wire. Okay, so putting back is just reverse. So my difficult part is this one. So it was like this. After I remove all the screw, it was like this. I couldn't take it out. So hopefully you have a better luck. So I just show you how to do this. So today that's what I have for you. Put it back and replace the new part. Put it back should be the same way you taking it out. So good luck with your project. Hopefully people find some useful information on my video. And also the other video is for rear passenger side door actuator. So in that video that I made a few years ago, I don't need to take out this panel. I just unscrew it and use my hand to have access to inside the actuator. It was something like here. You take it out. So that one I don't need to take out the glass. All right. Good luck. Okay, that's it for now.